Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hardik Raval. In the previous video, we have seen how this keyword behaves in the object. In this video, I want to show you one more use case. So previously we have seen if we tries to call this method as a part of this object, in this keyword, we get the current object, right? So let's say there is one use case. I want to use set timeout function here, and set timeout take the function as an argument, and then we can pass the delay. Let's say delay is for 3 seconds, and inside the timeout I want to put this console log. Okay, so let's see in this case what we are getting in this skills method. So let me run the program. Again, I will use mode to run the program. Wait for 3 seconds. We don't get our current object. Instead we got timeout object. So why it is happening? Remember I said in the previous video, this function is not part of this object actually. So whenever we call function as a standalone function, then inside this it will have access of either a window object or where that function has been called. So in this standalone function, it will have access, this will have the value, the context of this set timeout function, and not our current object. So there are two ways to fix this issue. One is using ES5. So let's say I want to use self. You can use any variable name, and I have assigned this to self, and now I would use self here. So that is one. See, and okay, so we get the expected result. So why this is happening? So before this function calls, we set the value this to this local variable, and then we are using that local variable here. That way keyword this is not resetting, and still we have the current object in our this keyword, and this keyword is assigned to that keyword, sorry, the self variable, and that self variable is available here. Now if we don't want to use this approach, this ES5 approach, then what we can do is we can use arrow function. Remember the arrow function? If you haven't watched my video regarding the arrow function, please do that, so you will better understand what arrow function is and how it works. So instead of declaring the function this way, I can use the fat arrow here, and then I would use const, and instead of self I would use this here. Now first let's see we are getting the expected result. Yep, it is giving the expected result. So when we use arrow function instead of that the regular function, our keyword this will not reset if we have used the arrow function, and that's the one of the great advantage using the arrow function instead of the function like that. So I would say instead of using this solution, use arrow function. That is more neat and clean, and it's modern way to write the code. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.